Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. And leave a like and subscribe while you're there. We are in the midst of finishing up the mortar application to the interior stone foundation walls. As you can see, we just have this one wall right here along the front of the house. And then we have this section right here. So we'll take a quick look and show you exactly what we've been doing. So we have properly mortared these stone foundation walls from top to bottom, corner to corner. And looking to be tomorrow, we will come in here with our white Drylock waterproofing paint these stone foundation walls, and this project will be complete. So you can already tell the vast difference between what this looked like before and what it looks like now, and that difference is only going to be more apparent once we get the fresh white waterproofing paint onto this mortar. So this basement is going to look fantastic once we're done. Again, these are some of our favorite projects just because you have that really good before and after when it's all finished up. So we'll get the mortar taken care of today. We may be able to get some of the paint on the sections that we finished up first, but the vast majority of that is going to be knocked out tomorrow when we finish this project up. So we'll for sure have an update video when all that paint is finished up. So again, you'll be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. I'd highly encourage you guys, while you're there, you can go and see all the videos that we've done on this project. As you know, we did 9 King Pier 1s underneath this south side of the house. A lot of excavation that took a lot of time to get everything just in place to be able to put our piers in. This house was piered previously. Obviously, we would not be here to install the King Pier if those previous piers had not failed. So there was a lot of concrete and everything we had to work around to be able to get our excavation done. But step one was piering the bottom row of stone of the stone foundation, get everything back up to its correct level elevation. Step two, the brick veneer on the same side of the house on the outside was really coming out. So we had to get that pulled off, get that whole area cleaned out, and we got that brick relayed. When we do the final walkthrough video tomorrow, when everything gets finished up, we'll make sure to take a look on the outside as well, so you can really see how nice all that looks now. And then the final scope of this project is what you're seeing right now, the stone foundation renovation. So again, you'll be able to find all those videos on our YouTube and Facebook pages. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.